How to track wallets on Photon. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is basically look for something, hopefully a very valuable token that you are going to track. So let's say for example this one. Let's go ahead and just click this one right here, and then we're going to head over to holders. We're going to go ahead and click the wallet here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this to the clipboard, and then we're going to head over to our Telegram. So Telegram is what we're going to be using to track, and let's go ahead and find something called Shell of Free. But in my case right now I'm using number 4, and this is basically how it's going to look. So this is how it's going to look when you are tracking it. I'm going to go ahead and click the menu here, click add wallet or token, and then we're going to choose Solana wallet. Afterwards, just go ahead and confirm everything here, skip this one, and then let's go ahead and just paste what we copied earlier, and I'm just going to go ahead and call this one sample wallet. And then I'm gonna hit enter, and you should be able to see here wallet added. And then a few moments from now, what's gonna happen is that you're going to see something like this. This is actually showing you that it is tracking that wallet. And yeah, everybody, that is how you're going to track wallets on Photon.